Welcome to the lesson. The lost phone. Listen carefully. It was a rainy Tuesday morning. Anna was running late for work again. She grabbed her bag, her coffee, and ran out the door. Halfway to the bus stop, she reached into her pocket and realized her phone was gone. "Oh no, not again," she said. She quickly turned around and started running back home. The rain was getting heavier, and her shoes were completely soaked. When she reached her apartment, she searched everywhere, on the table, under the sofa, in the bathroom. Nothing. Then she remembered. She had left it in the kitchen, next to the coffee machine. She sighed with relief. But when she picked up the phone, it slipped out of her wet hands and fell right into her coffee cup. "Perfect," she said sarcastically. "My phone wanted some coffee, too." She dried it with a towel, shook her head, and laughed. "Next time, I'm buying a waterproof one." Interesting vocabulary and phrases. Running late. To be behind schedule. Not on time. Example, I'm running late for my meeting. Use it instead of I'm late. It sounds more natural. Halfway to the bus stop. In the middle of the distance to the bus stop. Example, I was halfway home when it started raining. "Oh no, not again." When something bad happens repeatedly, use it to show frustration, but also humor. Completely soaked equals very wet. Example, after the storm, I was completely soaked. Soaked is stronger than wet. Searched everywhere equals looked in all possible places. Example, I searched everywhere for my keys. Sighed with relief. Made a deep breath sound when you finally relax after stress. Example, when the exam was over, she sighed with relief. Said sarcastically. Said something that means the opposite of what you feel, often with humor. Example, great weather, he said sarcastically as it rained. Shook her head. Moved head left and right, usually to show disbelief or disapproval. Example, he just shook his head and laughed. Next time. Expression we use after a mistake or experience to show a lesson learned. Example, next time, I'll set an alarm earlier. Thanks for watching.